Well, my name is Hrvoje Loncarevic. I work at the Grand Hotel in Eastbourne. I'm the executive head chef here, overseeing a brigade of 40 chefs. That includes the separate restaurant of the Mirabelle, which is a 2-rosette restaurant. Yes, I was a student at it was called ESC College at the time, which was in '96. I was there till '99, which was a 3-year course. I was there for 3 years due to my lack of English, really. I started off in a foundation because of my language barrier, and ended up doing a 3 years there to a level 3 chef's course. Once I completed the course, during my time at college from '96 to '99, I had various work experiences in London. That was organised by one of my lecturers there, Oliver Godfrey at the time. One of his friends worked in a 2 Michelin star restaurant in Chelsea, so most of my summer I've spent working there for free, which was a great experience for me. When I was coming back to college, I had great knowledge and the background working in the kitchen to a high standard. And from that, I carried on working in high-end restaurants and hotels. When I finished college, I ended up coming in 2000. I ended up coming here at the Grand Hotel, which I started off as a commie, and worked my way up, all the way up to a senior sous chef, which total took me about 9 years to achieve, which was, some people say was very quick, but for me it was, I knew what I wanted. And I had extremely good mentors with me, which was Gerald Rosa. He was a head chef at the Mirabelle at the time, and Keith Mitchell was executive head chef here at the Grand at the time. After 9 years working here at the Grand, I've learned so much. I did a lot of competitions. In total, I think I've competed 40 times in all various competitions. I even represented UK into international competition in Geneva in Switzerland, which I came 3rd out of 12 countries, which was one of my biggest achievements, really. After winning 3 consecutive English competitions and winning all of them, that made me get to the finals in Geneva. I left the Grand Hotel, went to the Ashdown Park Hotel, which was a sister hotel, and that was my first executive head chef position at the age of 29. I was a bit overwhelmed, but I wanted the challenge, and I stuck with it for 2 years, working for the same company, delivering in a high standard, and then decided that I wanted to see something else that's outside elite hotels. Ended up working for Bannatyne Group for 4 years as executive head chef, looking after Bannatyne's hotel in Hastings. And from there I moved on to look after the Amex Stadium in Brighton for another 4 years. My old mentor Keith Mitchell decided to retire after 36 years working here at the Grand. And I ended up applying for the job here and getting the job, which was probably one of my top goals, really, to get back to the hotel that I started and work here as exec chef. It's been a high graft to step in his shoes and deliver something that he's been running for 36 years. But last 3 years, I think I've achieved what I needed to achieve, and we're driving forward to get better results, to get better standards, to move on with time, with the food, and still keep it traditional, as the Grand is a very traditional English hotel. Well, when we were at college in '96, I've had a great experience at college. I mean, for me, that was an eye-opening as well, working with some great lecturers as well at the time. And even now, looking at some of the lectures in there, the amount of time and effort they spend with the students and showing them the basic skills and understanding of the catering, I think is a very positive thing for the college. I think the kitchens are well equipped for what they need to start their career. And I think what's really important as well for the colleges and the professionals outside the colleges to work together to give them a good platform for the students to start the industry going forward.